Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Bissell Robot Smart Clean Vacuum. This is just an unboxing. So when you open up the box, this is what you get. This is the manual. This is the virtual wall that keeps it in one room. It has 4 AA. It takes 4 AA batteries. And this is the wall charger to charge it up. And this is the docking station. This is where it goes back to the charge after it gets through cleaning, or before it goes off to clean. It sets on this dock. Or you can also just plug it in yourself into the side of the robot to charge it. This is the battery. It takes a 14.8 volt, 28 millihertz battery. And this is the robot itself. This is the trash bin to it. This is where all the dirt and debris goes. On the top of it has a sticker that says powerful suction and smart navigation technology. Picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair. Lithium-ion. I gotta say that the robot seems kind of light. It's not real heavy. Seems like it's kind of light. I don't know how good it's gonna work yet. I haven't tried it, so. And at the very bottom of the packaging, under the robot, it has the corner bristles. So it has 2 of those corner bristles to brush stuff like close to the wall or whatever. So yeah, that's it. This is the Bissell Smart Clean Robot. And yeah, I picked this up at Walmart for $179. I think $179 everyday price. So if you're interested in it, go out and pick you one up, you guys, and check it out. The Bissell Smart Clean Robot Vacuum. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe to my page. Thank you.